I was looking for a way to create a chart which is not this chart here or a line chart, but unfortunately Adalo does not support it yet. For example, I wanted to display a chart like this one, like a radar chart, Doughnut chart, polar area, or pie chart. And today in this tutorial, I will show how to do that in Adalo. Big shout out to the Adalo guy on YouTube that gave me this idea. First of all, what I'm gonna do is to open the polar area. What we can find it in here is the data that this polar area is showing. For example, if I put here 99, then this triangle will be bigger. Then these are the colors of each of those triangles. For example, if you put one here, then you can see that the color changed. Those are the labels, which are those here. The position of the legend, I can put, for example, left here, and the title. So, for example, my title. Okay, I will show you the setup. We have a new app with a database where I only have the user collection, which has 5 properties: strength, stamina, speed, magic, and robustness. And for each of those, I gave myself a value. For example, I'm super strength, but I have no magic and no stamina. So the question is, how can I make this beautiful plot come in my screen with my values? I will show it right now. I can click image, put the image here, image source, URL, and here I have to paste a URL that still I don't know. Before pasting the URL that I will create from here, I just have to do one trick. I will change those numbers to 99. This is not compulsory, but it helps me for a later stage practice. Then when I've done this, I also want to change the labels. So the labels that I want are the labels that I want to display. So strength, stamina, speed. Great. Now here we have a code that produced this chart, which is available from this link. If I now copy this link and paste it in my URL, I will see a graph which unfortunately contains those data. I want a graph that contains my data. So what I need to do is to modify this 99, 99, 99 inside this link in order to show the logged in user properties. How can I find this? Well, let's check at the structure of this code. This code looks like data, then datasets, then data. So I will check inside here when I found data, that's here, datasets, that's here. Another data is here, and then you can see that I can find 99, 99, 99. Those are the values that we want to change. So here I will take the first 99 and put strength. I will take the second 99 and put speed, and so on. Now this plot should show our values. Let's check if this is correct. That's great. I am a profile with a lot of strength and quite good speed and low values for something for the other parameters, and this is also shown here. Let's quickly create an action that randomly modifies those values. Add action, update logged in user, and we can simply modify, I don't know, the strength. We will give it a value of random between 0 and 100, and we are doing the same thing for the other ones. And now you can see that the plots should update. If I click on it, the values should change each time based on the random functions. And I hope you like this tutorial. You can actually implement this tutorial for any chart you can see here. Some of them will be more tricky, some of them will be easier. Just let me know in the comments what you think of this trick. Thank you.